Hello, in this video we will learn the options premium. This is also called as option price. It consists of two parts, the intrinsic value and the extrinsic value. So the intrinsic value is the minimum value which an option will have, and the extrinsic value is due to the time value or due to volatility and due to the moment which can happen. So it is extrinsic. Extrinsic value is time value. So now we'll see for in the money options, intrinsic value is the strike price minus spot price. We will understand this with one example. Like suppose Nifty is trading at 11,490, means spot price, and there are 10 days to expiry for the option to expire, and the price of 11,400 call, then 11,400 call will be in the money because strike is at 11,490. So 11,400 call will be in the money. Suppose it is having premium of 120 rupees. So here we will calculate the intrinsic value of this call. Intrinsic value will be spot price, which is 11,490 minus strike price, difference of the spot and strike. Spot is 11,490 and strike price is 11,400. This will be 90 rupees. So this value cannot be negative, so we have to take the positive value. So therefore 90 will be the intrinsic value of this call option, but its total value is 120. Therefore the difference 30 is total value minus intrinsic value will be, this 30 will be the extrinsic value of 11,400 call, means that value due to time. As it approaches expiry, this value will come to its intrinsic value and extrinsic value will reduce. So for in the money strikes, intrinsic value is equal to strike minus spot price. Okay, and for at the money or out of the money, intrinsic value is 0. Okay, so we will take one example like 11,600. When Nifty is trading at 11,490, so 11,600 call is out of the money, so it will not have any intrinsic value. So suppose it is trading at 10 rupees, so this 10 is its extrinsic value, means the value due to time. Its intrinsic value is 0. Okay, its intrinsic value is 0 and its extrinsic value is the time value, which is 10. So in this way we can find out the intrinsic value and the extrinsic value of the option by using this this information. And the extrinsic value is equal to the option price minus intrinsic value. Okay, and this value is due to time. So we have taken this example to understand the intrinsic value and the extrinsic value of the options. Next we will move on to the margin required to trade options. Like suppose I want to buy 11,600 call. Market is trading at 11,490 and I want to buy 11,600 call which is trading at 10 rupees. Then how much value I require, means how much margin I require. Lot size of Nifty is 75. Okay, so 75 into 10. So I have to pay a premium of 750 rupees to buy one lot of 11600 call. Okay, if it is trading at 10 rupees. So this is the margin required to buy one lot of Nifty. This I am considered one example. This will vary depending on the price of the option. Next, to sell the same lot of 11600 call, how much margin I require? This margin is fixed. This does not depend on the price of the option. This is fixed. This comes to around 80,000 rupees. So this comes to around 80,000 rupees. So in order to sell one lot of Nifty option, call or put, I need 80,000 rupees as margin. Around 80,000 rupees as margin. So now you can see that to sell one lot you need 80,000 rupees, but to buy one lot you need just 750. Means almost 100 times of your capital is more capital is required to sell one lot. So one question can come to your mind, then why do anyone sell option? Everyone should buy option because less money is required to buy. The answer to this question will be given in the next video, where we will discuss why we sell options and why I prefer or I encourage you to sell options and not buy options. We'll discuss in the next videos. So we'll just revise what we have learned. Option premium is divided into two parts: intrinsic value and extrinsic value. Intrinsic value for in the money option is strike minus spot, and for at the money and out of the money it is 0. Whereas extrinsic value is the time value, and it is equal to option price minus intrinsic value. And we have taken one example. We have seen the margin required to sell one lot of Nifty and to buy one lot of Nifty. And one more thing, for profit. To make profit, we should buy low and sell high. We should buy low and sell high. Or we can sell high and buy low. To make profit, we should buy low and sell high. Or we can first sell high and then buy low. Both are one and the same thing. So if we do opposite, if I buy high and sell low, then I will make loss. Or if I sell low and buy high, I will make loss. So this you should keep in mind. And I want you all to write the learnings from this video in the comment box below. And in the next video, we will see why we sell options and why don't we buy options. So let's move on to the next video.